We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. This is episode 381 part 1. DRYTRON versus MEKK-KNIGHT ORCUST. Here we go. There's a setting here. Where is this? Where was the setting? Replay. How do I change the replay speed? Said it's in settings. What? Oh, game speed right here. There we go. What happens if we go down like that? Okay. There we go. That's a bit slow. That's a bit slow. Let's go right here. Diviner effect, arc light. That's still a little bit fast. Arc light for Natasha. Those two for Anaconda effect. Red Eyes Fusion, Dragoon, and I set the imperm there. What's it gonna do? Blue Sky. Okay. Dragoon negate. Discard Natasha. What the heck? World Legacy's memory. Hand or deck. Ooh. Purple. Purple. Imperm. It's gonna. Who's this guy? Ibly. Corruptor Ibly. Nightmare. Morning Star. This one is going to. Okay, and then Orange Light. Surprised it destroyed him because I thought it was just a negate, but Orange Light destroys. That's cool. My turn. Nova. Zeta. Gamma. Oh, hit me with the bell. Direct for 45. Monster Reborn. Purple. Purple. Blue Sky. Oh, he drew two. He drew two there. What the hell happened? Did he draw two? I don't remember. Blue Sky. There you go. Now he drew two. How did he? God. Let me attack to your hand. Oh my god. Yeah, this guy right here. You cannot special summon cards. What? There's something. Link monsters. You cannot special summon monsters except link monsters. Oh, what the f was that? Lib the World Key Blade Master. To the graveyard as a link material. Shuffle one card. Oh my god. Abramax. So we could slow this down a little bit more actually. There we go. Got the crescendo. Jeez. Yeah, I think he wins this one. Oh. Any mind controls it, really. That's unnecessary. MEKK-KNIGHT, Crusadia Avramax. Oh, god dang it. But I came back. I came back. Game 2, here we go. I went first. I think, yeah. Discarded Delta. Okay. Because I want to get the Delta draw here. Okay, Delta. Reveal, add. Oh, Nova. Nova Alpha. From Beta. Oh, hit me with the Imperm. That's okay. Summon a monster. You know, 2 effect monsters for Anaconda. Either Dragoon play. What did I set there? Forbidden Droplet and Twin Twister. Okay, I thought it was okay here. What did he do? He kaiju'd me. What the fuck? And then he evenly matched. Deciding to keep. I wanted to maybe Droplet, but it was a good idea to keep the Gamma Seal. So I could do some more damage. Normal summon Diviner. Diviner effect, hit me with a Nash. Go to battle. Hit him for 27. And that's it. What do you do there? Foolish for a skeleton. And that's it. Oh wow. Okay, what did I do? I foolish Gamma. Okay. And for battle, Diviner direct. Hit him again for 27. He draws Gamma Seal. Oh. Destroys Diviner, I take. He ends. Come on, Dodo! Nice. Gamma. Alpha Gamma. Hit the Benton. Delta. Oh yeah, because I already had a ritual spell. Tribute the Benton. Activate effect. Draw a card. Benton. Diviner. What did I do? Normal summon Diviner. Activate effect. Send Arclight. Add Natasha. DRYTRON, Natasha. I want to take his monster. Natasha's effect. Target gain half the attack. Zeta, Natasha. DRYTRON. Benton. And then decrease attack, add back. Delt or Gamma, tribute Benton. Benton, ultimateness. Go for IP with those two. I wasn't able to summon anything here. I had to get rid of those so I could do Natasha's effect. Why is that? What? You cannot special summon monsters except monsters. Took his monster. I should have did Boral Sword. I should have did Natasha with Boral Sword. I attacked them a bunch of times with it was already over. Unnecessary plays. I just wanted to attack him for the most, so he can go negative. And right here. Round 3. Dude! He goes first. Okay. Ibli. Corruptor Ibli. I was unable to fuse. I could only link. With that. Cyber emergency, okay. Alpha. Twin Twister. Discard Alpha, okay, yeah. What did I do? Okay, normal summon, link off, alpha, delta, at Ben 10, delta Ben 10, delta diviner. I've already normal summoned, and all those for Portal Sword. Can I be destroyed by battle or card effects because of IP? Thought it was good, you know. Hit me with the Gamma Seal again. Come on, Jesus. And does his MEKK-KNIGHT shenanigans. He said, yeah, he did screw up here. You messed up. Like, why would you put Dingirsu in defense? Like, you could have attacked. Yeah, like, what? Yeah, he messed up here, and then he messed up the other turn. I should have probably activated the Feather Duster first, but if you would have crescendoed that. If you would have crescendoed this, and then I activate Red Eyes Fusion and then he ashes me, that's no good. But it went through. Duster. Crescendo, negate, okay. Red Eyes Fusion. Dragoon. Dragoon pop and burn. Direct attack. Oh, he's at 200. 200, yeah. My turn. Okay. What's he gonna do? He's gonna set. It's gonna set and blue sky. Dragoon negate. I wanted to. Debating on which one to discard, but I think. Yeah, I think. Divine was good. Or Legacy Secret. Okay. Is he gonna ding me again? He doesn't have 2 dings, does he? Oh yeah, he did ding. Oh god. Skeleton. He said he screwed up somewhere here. I think he should have activated this or something. Somehow he said he screwed up. But maybe that was a screw up. I did not know what. Oh shit. What card that was. What the fuck? Alpha Zeta. Get Natasha. Zeta, tribute, Natasha, add Medion's DRYTRON. Delta, tribute, Zeta, reveal ritual spell or trap or ritual monster. Draw a card, Beta, Gamma, Medion's DRYTRON, ritual summon Natasha, detaching from Fafnir. Natasha, target, can't have to attack. Gamma, tribute Natasha, special summon Natasha, banish, Cyber Angel, target a monster, take control, Natasha, target, can't have to attack. And it was over from here. And this is some unnecessary plays, but I wanted to finish him with his own monster. Let's do wins. Does he have a deck? 381. Oh, he does have a deck. Omega, that's his name. 381. Okay. Okay. Exit online. We were before 1475, 1495. We're gonna check the deck and then check the duel points after. What was it? 381. There we go. Here's his deck. Good. One skeleton. Sign it mining. This guy is Cybers? Yeah, okay, that's for that. That was a 41 card. God damn it. Turn it off. What the f— Jesus. Extra deck. It's got the Zeus. Boral Sword. Where's the Wind Kaiju? Okay. Let's see here. We were 191. 194. Went up by 3. Oh my god. That's awesome. Almost there, guys. Gonna get that other ghost rare. Comment, share it, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.